Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Windows. Okay, I made a cool notion on what to do. The first step is to restart your computer. So restart your PC by holding down the power button for 10 seconds, then turning it back on. And check if the error resolves itself. If not, continue to the next step. Access Windows Recovery Environment, WinRE. So turn off your computer, turn it back on. As soon as the manufacturer logo appears, press F8, F11, or Escape repeatedly to enter recovery options. If it doesn't boot into recovery, create a bootable USB, which is step 7, I'll explain later. So press F8, F11, or Escape while rebooting. And in the recovery menu, select Advanced Options, Startup Repair. And then allow Windows to diagnose and attempt to fix the boot issue. And then restart your PC to see if that fixed the problem. Step 4. In the recovery menu, select Advanced Options, go to the command prompt. Type the following commands one by one and press enter after each. bootrec/scanos, bootrec/fixmbr, bootrec/fixboot, bootrec/rebuild bcd. If prompted, press Y to confirm adding installation to the boot list and restart your computer. Step 5. Run check disk to check disk health. So in the command prompt, so in Windows, go to search cmd, that's the command prompt, right click, say run as administrator, and you take this code, you copy it, you paste it, you press enter, and this thing is by it's because of the revision next to the system restarts. You press yes, and then you restart your PC. Step 6, check and enable Windows Boot Manager. So go back to command prompt, cmd, right click, run as administrator, hit yes. Type, copy and paste bcd, edit, paste it in here. Then look for the Boot Manager entry. So ensure the path is set to here. So the Boot Manager entry, so it should be here, yes. So right here, the path is this, so that is okay. Now, if it's missing or incorrect, rebuild the boot sector by copy and pasting this into the command prompt. And if you've done that, let's move on to the next step. Create a bootable USB. So on another computer, download the Windows 11 USB Installation Assistant. This is completely free. You can go to this URL or you can just Google it to find it. Now insert the USB into the PC, boot from it, and select repair your computer and follow the steps laid out earlier. If that doesn't work, reset the BIOS to default. So restart your PC, press the BIOS key, usually delete, F2 or escape. Navigate to load default settings or similar, save changes and exit, and check if the error is resolved. Step 9, if all else fails, check your PC case, check for hardware connections if the SSD or HDD is properly connected. And step 10, last resort, reset Windows, so boot from the USB on step 7. Select install Windows, but choose keep files to preserve personal data, and proceed with the installation process. So one of these should have fixed your problem. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment and let me know what the problem is.